One day, a crow sat on a tree branch feeling sad. He looked at his dull black feathers and sighed. I must be the most miserable bird in the world, he thought. Just then he saw a beautiful parrot with bright green and red feathers. The crow flew to the parrot and said, "You are so colorful and beautiful. You must be the happiest bird." The parrot smiled but shook his head. I thought I was the happiest bird too, but then I saw a peacock. He has so many colors and people admire him. Compared to him, I feel ordinary. The crow and the parrot flew to the zoo where they found a peacock in a large cage. The crow approached him and said, "You must be the happiest bird. Everyone comes to see you." The peacock sighed and replied, "I once thought so too, but because of my beauty, I am trapped in this cage. I cannot fly freely like you. If I could be a simple crow, flying wherever I wish, I would be truly happy." Hearing this, the crow realized something. He looked at his black feathers, then at the sky. "I may not be colorful, but I am free, and freedom is the greatest happiness." The crow flew away, feeling grateful for what he had. Moral: happiness is not about having the best, it is about being content what you have. Thanks for watching.